Welcome to Tashkent, the capital of Uzbekistan.
Welcome to Uzbekistan.
People have told me it's quite boring, there's not much to do, so I'm gonna test that tomorrow. Now this has been the biggest surprise for me in this trip. I was expecting Khiva, Samarkand, Bukhara all to be beautiful, and I thought it would be like a typical, Central Asian capital. It's anything but. It's really modern, it's really well built, lots of green space, and really nice people. A couple of times people actually left their own work to go, help me out with things, and I'm really thankful to people here. Generally in Uzbekistan, they're amazing. I just can't say that enough. Seriously. So it is a beautiful city, quite modern actually. I was quite surprised. This could easily be a European city. There's a lot of different facilities and they have a metro. There's a good public transport system if you want taxi. That's not easy to hail, so download Yandex Go or My Taxi apps. Those two will help you. I will show you as much as I can. I'm only here for a day before I take my flight back to London. So, by the way, I'm coming from Khiva. If you haven't checked the video, the link is above. Let's see what we can do in Tashkent. I've just arrived in Tashkent and it looks like a nice city. But people have told me it's quite boring, there's not much to do, so I'm gonna test that tomorrow. I'm actually really tired today after all that traveling. So I'm gonna go get a massage, chill out the rest of the evening, and I'll take you around tomorrow. To my surprise, there were quite a few spas around Tashkent. I went for a Thai place, had a great massage, the staff was really professional. I'm gonna get some rest and we start exploring in the morning. Good morning, I am heading to the Chorsu Bazaar. But on the way, I want to show you this. This is the State Museum, and I really like the building. I don't know about the museum inside, not interested in going either. But the building looks really nice. It's from the Soviet era, and I haven't seen a lot of these around. So definitely check it out. It looks really cool. Let's head to Chorsu Bazaar. Tashkent is neatly lined with avenues, big parks, gardens, green space, monuments, this and that. But to get an idea of the lives of ordinary people here, it is a really great thing to come to Chorsu Bazaar, where I am right now. It's bustling, there's a lot of stuff here. You can buy, from plants to pumpkins to toilet cleaner, cosmetics, anything and everything you want. So it's also a great place to meet people. They're really friendly here. I've spotted my first stop that's going to get some pomegranate juice, and then yeah, I'll show you around a little bit. It's really fascinating. Don't skip this. Fresh pomegranate juice is amazing and definitely give it a try. So like a bottle like this, they already prepared it. So this is only 8,000, so which is less than $1. But look at them, how beautiful and big they are. Amazing. We're getting more information. Yes. Look at those. So beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna drink this and I'll show you around then. It's nothing like fresh pomegranate juice. It's only been 5 minutes inside the dome and I've already seen quite a lot. Little pastas, noodles, goat tongues, cow tongues, giant steaks, bone marrow. You name it, they have it. Definitely a fascinating place to come. Oh, don't forget hot sausages. Thinking of it, right here. Do you like more amazing off the beaten path travel destinations to inspire you? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. After coming from Samarkand, Bukhara and Khiva, the madrasa, this one behind me in Tashkent, looks a little simpler. But if you're starting in Tashkent, this is a good idea of what's to come. I just came out of the Chorsu Bazaar and I spotted this beautiful building. And why would I say no to looking inside? So, just gonna go quickly check this. After all this walking around, I am really hungry and I'm heading to the best place in Tashkent to get amazing food. Let's go. Another advantage of coming to the Plow Center is you get to see how the bread is made. Now, these are the big ovens, and the guys actually go inside to put the bread, and they literally fall inside. And when I went close to it to take some videos, obviously it's really hot, but so good, and the bread is really nice, but it's a bit heavy if you want to eat with plow. A big reason for coming to Tashkent has been the Plow Center and the plow. Honestly, come here for lunch, don't miss it, and eat as much plow as you can because this is out of this world. If you want to find out more, check out the food video. The food is so good here, I am in a food coma. To burn all these calories, we are going to another beautiful spot. So this place is a mixture of old tradition and new architecture. Having been to Bukhara and Samarkand and Khiva, it is a little bit of a thing like, what are these people going to do next? And I guess that's where it stops, but no. Uzbeks have done this. This is the latest one and it is still being constructed, and look at that dome. Absolutely wonderful. I am in the complex for Hazrat Imam, and this behind me is the mosque, and there are a few buildings here with absolutely stunning domes. And what is quite different about these buildings is that they are not a copy of Bukhara or Samarkand, but rather they take the old, mix it with the new, and create absolutely beautiful new style of buildings. So you get kind of, the traditional touch, but it's more refined. There are more, corners. You feel a little bit different because it's not done the same way. Even the pillars inside the mosques are have a little bit of a modern touch. So really, really happy that I came here. I almost missed it because I was being lazy. So whenever you're in Tashkent, don't forget to check this complex out. Let me show you what else this complex has. This is the Temur Museum right next to the Amir Timur Square, and it is a good reminder that things are closed on Mondays in Tashkent, most of the places. So I'm here on a Monday. It's not open. I wasn't gonna go in. I don't like museums, but another place to explore if museums are your thing. I am in the Emir Timur Square, which has a statue of Amir Timur. Now, I'm not here for this, or even the Grand Uzbekistan Hotel and this other building, which I actually don't know about, but I want to talk to you about these two characters. I forgot to explain this to you in Bukhara and Khiva and Samarkand. So in older times, people would have these migratory birds and they would stop, they would make their nests on top of domes and towers, the storks by the way, and people really thought that it brings them good luck. So they would invite them more. They don't do that anymore because I think it's become too hot now, but people still make these statues on top for good luck. That's what it is. If you see them everywhere, that's what it means. Honestly, people are so amazing in Uzbekistan. I was just walking, trying to find some way to put money into my phone account, and this gentleman saw me and he's like, let me give you a lift, I'll take you there. They are incredibly nice people. I think this is the friendliest country I've been to. I just can't thank people enough. They're so amazing and they're so nice. It's just before the sunset and I'm going to the Tashkent Tower because that's the best spot to see this beautiful city in the golden hour. Let's go check it out. I don't know if this is scary or cool, but you can see the lift going up and down. For sunset, the best place to be in Tashkent is the TV Tower or the Tashkent Tower. Now, right now, there's an observation deck which is closed for refurbishment. There's a restaurant which is full, and the cafe was abysmal, but like... I managed to see a little bit of it, but if you come and if you want to spend like a bit better time, the restaurant actually looked really good. So that's the tip. I'm gonna go see if I can see the park nearby. It looks really good from above. Let's check it out. It's my last evening in Uzbekistan and I am sad because I came here not expecting much and this country absolutely changed my mind. This has been like a real eye-opener, one that I haven't had in quite some time, so I'm really thankful for that. And I'm sad because I will miss all this. I will miss the people here because that's been the common theme. The architecture is different, whatever, but the people have been, universally amazing throughout, And I really like the fact that they're not in a rat race. They're not stuck, like not rushing all the time. I didn't see anyone loud, shouting, screaming, no one fighting at all. They just seem to get along. They seem to appreciate the, simple things in life. And it's so refreshing to see that again. It's not just about money. A lot of the times, the people would just randomly stop to say hello, ask my name, or, if they speak English, whatever level, they will try to converse and make you feel welcome. And I am really, really happy that I got to visit this beautiful country. Sadly, that's all from the beautiful Uzbekistan and Tashkent, and I am heading back to London to pack my bags, and then I'm getting to Gambia. Click on the link above and meet me there.